Hey guys, so I wanted to show you guys what I just got from the store. I'm gonna show you guys what happened. I'm gonna show you guys what happened exactly. So first of all, I'm not trying to go on this whole thing. Okay, I got me some highlighters. And I got my 2024 planner. They didn't have any other colors, but I'm like, it's still pretty, so it's fine, it's fine. Then I'm gonna show you the last thing I got. First of all, let me start off with this. I showed y'all my candles. So I got this candle. I showed you guys when I got this candle. And it's done. It's literally done. It's all the way down to the middle. Okay? This just shows you how much I use candles. Like, I don't just buy candles and they're just there. You know, I use them. Then this is my other candle that I got down to the metal. You can't see it though, but it's down to the metal. As soon as I light it and it melts a little bit, it's just the metal piece. So that's done. But that was bound to happen. Then this one. This is done. Down to the metal, and this part, I can't even cut it. I literally can't cut the wick. So, yeah. So that's basically done. He got his thing. I finished all, oh wait, the last one. I got this from my brother for Christmas. Done. But today I went to Walmart. They had just added these because the last time I went to Walmart, they did not have any good scents like this. But they have the vanilla bean. It smells so good, and it has the ice cream all around. Like, yes. It smells delicious. But my favorite is this buttercream sprinkles. Like, it smells so good. You guys don't understand. Like, if you guys could smell this, you would like probably be like, oh, do they have perfumes, lotions, body wash in that scent? Because it is immaculate. Good morning, guys. I'm going to, I'm not hiking, but I'm going up to a mountain just because. So that's what I'm about to do right now. And my camera's dying, so I'll probably record some clips on my phone and I'll upload them on here into the video, because I'm gonna let my camera charge. But yeah, I'm excited. I'm nervous too. Hey guys, so I'm getting ready for work right now. I was looking at floors on Lowe's. I ordered a sample from, who did I order it from? Home Depot, of this floor, and it was atrocious. Like, one side was the bright color that I wanted and what I saw online, and the other side of the sample, it was like dark. And I was like, if all of them are like that, it's not happening. I'm not getting that. I'm not getting that. So right now I'm on Lowe's and I found two floors that I like. I'm not sure if you guys noticed, but I think I said this already. You know, if you've watched my other videos, my room was pink, now it's white, and I still have a little more painting to do. That's why I still have tape up there. I have tape on the window and tape on this side, on that door, because I still have more painting I'm about to do. And you know, my goal is to get that done this weekend coming up. So that's what I'm gonna try to do. But yeah, my goal is to do the painting this weekend on perhaps I could do it on Friday. Perhaps I could get it done on Friday, and then I'll be done. Like, I won't have to do anything like pertaining to the painting in here on Saturday and stuff. I'll be finished. So I think I'm gonna do that on Friday. But yeah, let me go get ready. back home. Oh, this thing, it's like hard to take out. I am about to take out these braids. I'm about to take them out. It's time. And when I'm like working out, like stuff is getting stuck to them. So these are coming out right now. And it's so crazy because today's Monday, like the start of the week. Literally I work all week, meaning that I'm gonna have to make sure my hair is done every day. Like I have to do something to it every day. Like I don't feel like doing that. I really don't, but it's time for me to take them out. Cut this piece. It's time for me to take them out. It's time. It's time. But it's a good thing because it's like 12. It's not that much, and I like that. That's what I'm trying to do. I'm trying to do like protective hairstyles that I could take out in like 2 seconds, so that I'll have more time to wash my hair and do my treatment masks and stuff. So I'm about to watch a YouTube video as I do this. I have it set up on the stand. My video's ready, and I'm going to take my hair out. I'm ready. Today is kind of one of those days where I don't feel like wearing anything else. So yeah. Hello. I just came back from Target, and I'm gonna show you guys everything that I got, okay? So I got me more of the HelloFresh mouthwash. I think I showed you guys when I used this in like one of my most recent videos. I'm sorry that I sound congested. You guys already know that. You already know what's going on. I got me the bigger size of the soap that I use. The Dr. Bronner's. I use the baby unscented one. I've been using this for a while. Like just for how long? I've been using this for a good year now of the Dr. Bronner's. This you feel like really soft, you feel clean, you're like squeaky clean, like, you know. And I would use this twice in the shower. So especially if it's like really like sweaty days, you want to do it multiple times. Then guess, you won't believe what I found, because when I went there they did not have any, but I found more of the sugar cookie scrub. Let me see. I found more of the sugar cookie scrub, and I got the deodorant as well. I was going in there like, oh, I'm just gonna get me something vanilla, and I ended up finding these two, which is what I was looking for. They had, I guess they probably just restocked it because the deodorant was full and the body wash was also full. I did not find the lotion in there, so I'll probably try that like tomorrow. Then I got the vanilla cashmere body lotion, the EOS body lotion. It smells like a cookie. Like, it says vanilla cashmere. It does smell like vanilla, but it also smells like a cookie. So I thought it would be great, like when I run out of the sugar cookie lotion, I would not mind using this because it smells like semi-similar. Like it's like it is vanilla, but it smells like a cookie to me. Then the next thing I got was the deep conditioner. I got the deep conditioner, and I also got more of the styling gel. There's actually a TikTok that I made where I used the styling gel and my hair came out like amazing. So I'm actually going to use it again. I haven't used it since then. I started trying other stuff, but it was good. So I'm like, okay, I'm gonna use this again. And then I used the deep conditioner. I ran out because my hair was super thick, but my hair is short now. I cut it, so my hair is like a bob. Nobody's ever seen it since it got cut, so nobody knows how it looks. But yeah, my hair is a bob now. It's literally like right here. So yeah, I cut my hair. There's that news. Then I had to get me more candles. Caramel latte one, like, smells good, and it's a big one, so this probably should last me a good bit. But I like candles like all the time, so it's a constant restock of candles. But anyways, that's what I got. tomorrow I'll probably get my paint and my scrub because I completely forgot about my scrub. So I'll get my paint to do my room and get my scrub, and yeah, that's pretty much it. Look at this beautiful kitchen. Look at this setup. This is nice. Not a big fan of the spots. I found one I like. It's nice. So everything is moved out and I am about to start the painting process, or like the last coat. I have my new can right here. This is a can that has a little bit in it, and then my new can right here. So yeah, look at this. Like, it's just like, it needs more. Yes, and I've been busy, so. Okay, so I'm about to go to work, but I wanted to update y'all basically that everything is looking good, I guess. No, so I finished adding the second coats. I'm trying to zip my jacket. I finished adding the second coats to the walls. The walls are pretty much done. Like, they're just, it's a wrap. It's a wrap in that department. But what is being done right now is the ceiling. So basically, when I was painting the walls previously, I just got so much paint on the top, and I was like, it's gonna look so tacky and it's gonna look so bad. So I got permission and I'm painting the ceiling. It's halfway done, but there's a small portion, a little bit by the fan and a little bit over by the door, that's not painted at all. Like, it's not painted at all. And so that just has to get painted, and then after that I would have a second coat to add, and then that's pretty much it. Like, I'm pretty much done. And after that, that means it's time for my floors, because I'm getting new floors. There's paint all over this carpet, and that's okay because your girl's getting new floors. So yeah, that's pretty much all the update. May the Lord be with me today. I don't feel like going, and that's just a normal thing for anybody. Like, I just don't feel like going to work today. But we can't act on how we feel, you know? We can't. But the Lord will give me the strength to do what I need to do today, because I have a lot to do today at work. I'm like, all right, let me get out of here because I'm over here talking too much. I will see y'all. I'm about to go eat something, and then after I eat, I'm going to do some, I think I'm gonna get rid of my mustache. That's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna get rid of my mustache, and then I'm going to have like a nice good care, because my body needs it. Like, I want to use my scrub and stuff. Like, yeah, let's get into it. Enough talking. So I'm about to use this. I don't know what that extra stuff is for. I don't really need to exfoliate anything. What do I need to exfoliate? That smells good. Oh, I see. Okay. So 5 minutes. I'm gonna do like 6 minutes. It says don't exceed 10. But normally when I did it, I needed longer. Look at that nakedness. Face is looking brighter. Now I'm gonna add Vaseline and then I'm gonna do my skincare. I'm gonna skip this area. Once I put my Vaseline, I'm gonna skip this area with my skincare because, you know, I've done this many times in the past. You do not put your skincare on after doing that because it's very sensitive. Like, I just throw some Vaseline up here, do the rest of my face. That's that. So that's what I'm gonna do. To moisturize my feet and put on fluffy socks, and I'll pretty much be done. We're going to end on some scripture. Striving to be a Proverbs 31 woman every day. God is good. Proverbs 31:26. She opens her mouth with wisdom, and the teaching of kindness is on her tongue. And I'm actually going to double Proverbs 31:30. Grace and beauty can fool you, but a woman who respects the Lord should be praised. Well, ladies, you don't want to be just a pretty face and a bad heart. You want to have a good heart. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll see you guys in my next video.